Samsung is gearing up for one of its most striking foldable upgrades yet, and the buzz around the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold7 is only intensifying. Recently leaked renders have surfaced online, hinting at a significant shift in design philosophy, this time favoring sleeker, thinner aesthetics while retaining the brand's signature foldable form factor. Galaxy Z Fold7, a bold new look for a new era. While Samsung has remained tight-lipped about the exact launch date, all signs point to a reveal at this summer's highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event. Rumors suggest that promotional material is already being printed and shared behind the scenes, giving enthusiasts a sneak peek into what could be Samsung's most refined foldable yet. The leaked image, believed to be an official render, reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold7 will be substantially slimmer than the Galaxy Z Fold6, and even thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which boasts a 4.9mm profile when unfolded. This not only enhances portability but places the Fold7 in direct competition with other ultra-thin foldables like the Oppo Find N5. Attention to detail, familiar features, fresh appeal. Despite its slimmer build, Samsung has preserved the functional layout its users love. The top speaker grille, SIM tray, and microphone placements remain consistent with previous models, ensuring users won't have to compromise on usability. What's particularly intriguing is the glimpse into new color options and a refreshed stock wallpaper, both reflecting a more modern and elegant visual identity. This early look suggests that Samsung is not just iterating, but innovating, crafting a device that blends cutting-edge engineering with lifestyle-conscious design choices. A competitive edge in a crowded foldables market. With rivals like Huawei, Vivo, and Honor pushing their foldable game forward, Samsung is clearly responding with purpose. If the rumors hold, we can expect the Galaxy Z Fold7 to debut with not only a new design but also smarter camera tech powered by Galaxy AI, enhanced durability, and performance upgrades via the latest Snapdragon chipset. As the foldables war heats up, the Z Fold7 is shaping up to reclaim Samsung's crown in the premium foldable category. What's next? With just weeks remaining until Samsung's big reveal, this is likely just the beginning of a flurry of leaks, teasers, and early hands-on impressions. One thing is clear, the Galaxy Z Fold7 isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement. Stay tuned for more leaks and the official confirmation at Galaxy Unpacked. And if you're planning to upgrade, now might be the time to keep an eye on those pre-order deals. Samsung could throw in a few surprises, like a free tablet, as seen in previous launches.